We are the ones who make the blueprints. The buildings that we see all around us, we can help the architects create that. So they come up with the design and we make it constructible. Construction documents is what we center around. We use Autodesk programs for all of our classes. So we use that in a lot of different ways, but Revit is going to be our main program that we're using, and that's that 3D modeling. We call it BIM technology, Building Information Modeling.
When they graduate our program, they're going to be able to play an important role within that design team and make real projects happen in the real world.
We almost exclusively hire NDSCS graduates. They do an excellent job in preparing their graduates for real life situations.
When I first started working at Artecta, it really felt like school again. I was using the same software, I was doing the same task. The wide range of things I learned at NDSCS translated to the job.
We can work with a structural engineer, a mechanical engineer, electrical, plumbing, and we're using the technology and the platforms that are used for different types of modeling or 3D drawings.
It definitely focuses on the career itself. You just jump right into learning about drafting and learning about different types of buildings. Even if you don't have any construction background, you could definitely do this.
You're not listening to a lecture, taking notes, and testing on it. You are walking through a project from start to finish with your professors.
We jump right into the actual design, the actual modeling, the skills that we are going to be using in our job and our career.
So in between that first and second year, you have hands-on experience in a place that would actually hire you after graduation. The co-op is a paid internship, and then you're also getting school credit as well.
When most of the time you go away from school for the summer, you come back, you're trying to relearn and get up to speed on everything again. Our students come back with a stronger grasp of construction and Revit. The misconception is after 2 years of school, you're kind of locked in to what you can do. But we have past graduates that have gone on to make really big design decisions and very big projects. And we've had students that have gone on and started their own businesses and been very successful.
I think a misconception about getting 2-year degrees would be that they're not useful or that you're kind of going the easy route. We can put our job to work right away once we graduate. That's something that I don't think a lot of people realize.
The 2-year degree doesn't become an obstacle to achieving these greater goals, and it's just really a matter of the person's character, qualities, and their own drive.
We do have an articulation with Dunwoody in the cities, and they have a fully online architecture program.
Some of our students, they'll graduate, they'll go and work for a company, and then they'll do their architecture degree when they're working full-time.
Talking with Dunwoody, they have full confidence in the program that I'm in. Just jump right into our higher level architecture courses.
The program definitely trained my brain to look past the walls. When you're driving past a building that's going up and it's an apartment building, you're like, oh, I know why they did that and I know how they did that.
I feel confident that I have a firm foundation and a stepping stone to use that platform to jump off of and grow into the industry even more.